Someone else to come. Go ready for this? I need like Copeland to come with me.
Copeland's not gonna do that.
Copeland. Can you come with me and put that down?
Alright, y'all ready for this?
Oh my god.
It's so I don't get in trouble. Y'all ready for this?
Okay, go. What you gotta say? Somebody come with me. Go for it. Wait, stop the music. Hold on. No, don't turn it on.
Don't turn it on till it's down.
Not till it's down there.
Let Logan come back.
Not till it's down there, okay? I promise you.
Wait, can somebody come with me? Sandra, come with me. At the bottom of the ship.
Ready?
Do I
Go,
pick
Logan,
it
you got
up?
it.
What do I do?
Just put it down at the bottom of the stairs. I'll be up here, okay?
Okay, wait, do I just like...
Don't-
Wait,
don't-
no, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me.
Wait.
Wait.
I know this is silly.
Wait.
Wait, Logan, just wait, stop. Okay.
Logan, everyone's waiting for you.
Ready?
Okay. Elias, come with me. Wait, I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Okay.
Y'all pulled up and y'all would have seen y'all niggas outside.
It's cute. What? Why is it my picture? So crazy.
No one would own it, so I'm not going to let it run around the halls. You can have your flag, but
I'll pick it up.
Miss Sully.
I know who it's for. I know who
I
it's
don't
for.
want it running around
Oh,
the
I know.
halls during power lunch.
No, it just came. I just came. No, it just came down.
That's really funny.
And I couldn't catch it.
That's beautiful. I think you should let it go.
No.
Why are we?
That's hilarious. What is that?
Bro, that's big. That's flight.
Oh. Do you have a doctor's note? You do? Where is it? You turned it in? Okay.
What is that?
Some kid had us going down the hall.
For real? Can you take a picture?
I don't have my phone.
There's a GoPro on it, isn't there?
I don't know. I don't know what that means.
That's a camera, isn't it?
Oh.
Kids are funny.
Yeah.